Hey, what's up guys? This is Shaun and welcome to my channel. Okay, let's learn together. Today I want to talk about a direct client. Yes, this is very important tutorial for all freelancer who is want to work direct client. So this is the first tutorial and I want to explain everything how you can how you can get your all the targeted clients for your services, freelance services. Okay, so first of all I want to share one trick that is very important for you, and the trick is very easy. I think you don't know, so I want to explain everything, so let's get started. Okay, first of all we want to go just Fiverr marketplace, and then we want to search our targeted niche for our clients. Suppose I am selling watercolor t-shirt design, so I want to build a list for my watercolor t-shirt design service. So how I can get my clients from here, from Fiverr directly? So the first thing we want to search here watercolor t-shirt design. Then we want to search. Then we want to open some gig here. After that we want to see the review below. Here it is, UE Comics, the client from United States. Okay, so we want to search here UA Comics Facebook. Also this one is related to my client's area is here. Please see the picture. I want to open this image here, this one, and also this one is same. So we want to go the website from here, and we want to collect some information from for our service related client. So first of all, so here you will get more information from here about contact us. So here is the mail you will get, and I think you can easily contact with that person because he already used watercolor service for his daily use or for his business. So this design already he made from Fiverr, and this is the client, and you can connect with your clients from here directly and just offer your service. Tell him I am ready to give you my best watercolor t-shirt design. So if you want, you can check this, and I'm ready to give you within your budget, and I ensure that you will get my best design. Okay, this is very common things. I think you know about this. So also you see the Facebook page here. So you should just maintain the Excel sheet for the client list, and here the name will the first section will be name. I want to say it client name. Then I want to put it here the email. Also here is the social link, and website. So some design I should change here because oh my god, it's now okay. Here it is, also here fill with yellow. Okay, so first of all we want to put the name, client name here, the company name, and this, I think this is the company. So this is the company. So I want to collect the email from here. So okay, so I want to collect the email from here. Okay, this one I want to put here. Also I want to collect the social link. So this is very easy process to collect direct client, and this is very important for you because right now Fiverr is not a simple things. It's so much competitive market. So you should work with directly because suppose the budget, client budget is 100, and you will work with some client from Fiverr or other marketplace. They will charge 20% commission with extra. So you just paid only $80. Also we want to put here the website from here. And so this is the very common things, and you can easily find the direct client from Fiverr, targeted clients. And also you should select the clients who already use their logos or images. Okay, this is the very important thing. So you can also open with this image like this, and you can zoom it, and you can just screenshot with your keyboard, and after that you can search from Google, and definitely you will find them. And this is very important thing. And also here you can also you just search with this name, and please follow all the step, and follow all the step is here, maybe this one. And see the details, country details is in the registers. And so this is very important things. I hope you can easily find all the things, and if you have any question this kind to get your direct client, please comment below, and I am ready to give you the answer. Also please join our Facebook group and Facebook, like our Facebook page to know about more tips and tricks. And if you want, I will share my all the tricks for direct client hunting. Definitely I will share you guys. So thank you so much, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe this channel.